Welcome to this new episode. Today we will see the osteology of the upper limb in its posterior portion. We begin to palpate the scapula, this triangular bone. We can find its three sides. There is the medial, the lateral, and the upper one. In addition, we can more clearly see two angles. The lower angle, which is the apex of the scapula, and the superomedial angle. The posterior region of the scapula presents an important bony prominence. There is the spine of the scapula, which I can palpate and follow it until I reach the lateral end. There is the acromion, which will then articulate with the clavicle. I can grab the acromion and I can also feel the joint space in relation to the distal end of the clavicle. By performing abduction and adduction movements, I can feel the movement of this articular space. In addition, the spine of the scapula divides into two regions: the posterior face of the scapula, the one that is called the supraspinous region or fossa, in which we will find the muscle that bears the same name, and an infraspinous fossa, which is this whole region in which will be the muscle that bears the same name.